medical marijuana wheels. Ride them, cowboys.
He did ask if we wanted to take the longer distance or the bumpy way, and I said shortest way possible. This is it.
Yep. Beautiful view up here when you can actually.
It would be a beautiful view if it wasn't so hazy.
Yeah.
Making a stop at the Memorial Rock here on Chute Lake, and we're looking for a one and a half geocache.
I got it.
There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Said it smells like a cache. That's a good one. There we go. Did you get it?
Got it.
And we're taking the easy way out. Now that we realized we were right next to a campsite where the cache was, so we got this one signed in. We're gonna go for some more bumpy road caching and to a tunnel. That's right, we're gonna go to a tunnel. Stay tuned. I was here in the winter with Tycoon Otto, and there's a link for that and one above. And then it was not open, it was closed. But we went in and his cache was missing. Now Tycoon Otto has come to fix his geocache with a replacement. We're about ready to enter the tunnel, and it's now lighted, and the lights come on as you go along. So join us as we go see if we can find the place to place the cache.
Well, that's a neat idea.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oop, there goes the light. Yeah, this just was opened up a few months ago. They added lights and sound effects too. So we get a real treat here as we're going to replace the cache. Oh yeah, there's the chandelier. Well, maybe it'll come on soon. There, boom. The chandelier in the middle of the tunnel. Yeah, it sure looks a lot different in the summer than it did when we were here in the winter digging with brooms. You got any dynamite? We dug around all over the rocks, but I don't know where it is. Well, we gave it a good try, and we're gonna give her up as a DNF. Yeah, we were here digging, and it looked a lot bigger than this. That's not, though.
I'm pretty sure we would have found it.
There you have it. Can you put it back now? Done. Well, there was a really nice find after digging in the snow so much. Now we're going back through the tunnel, and we're going to place, or Tycoon Otto is going to place, the replacement for his letterbox cache at the sound of the train.
Before you start, let me find a spot then, and I can.
Yep.
Looking for a spot.
Extra rocks here to cover it
Right
with.
in there.
Yeah.
You get it out there? No.
So you gotta reach down to get it?
Yeah, you gotta reach down,
Yeah.
and then there's.
And it's like totally obvious, but turn the light off and you won't see it at all.
I think it's over it to the.
The busy bot.
There we go. Cache is in place, ready to be found once again. In a very cool location. Well, that's an amazing place for a geocache. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us. And there's more geocaching fun. Let's go.